Archbishop yashaba abantu okurebeka ngu bakorera hamwe baba nibenda kukiririza ekigendererwa kyabo.
If you work together, if you stick together and need to work together, you will make a net to catch the fish. Teamwork, collaboration. Even when they are holes, even the holes among you, some holes wouldn't be there. But to cast the net, we need to work together.
His Grace Lambati beino mugisha weyagumizamu yaburira Abeegi na nabishemwe okumukama rukutaya ira buri muntu omuringo gwe.
With the Vice Chancellor and staff being there, students singing so well and others listening attentively, he appears that way. And he will address us from the point of view of our situation. And even in your family, he will appear to you in that way. God, Jesus, never ceases to appear.
Professor John Francis Mugisha, or Vice Chancellor wa Bishop Stewart University, oyashoborora ngu Abeegi bashemerire kutambura n'emico emirungi harumu n'emitwarize emirungi.
Kandi ubwo nje turatunge tubukorese omukuyamba humanity ningasha abantu bamukama bona ahibari. Itunka Bishop Stewart University tuinomugisha kugira ngo tuturinka university zindi ezijya ngo turebe dini ito ntwerezo obwenseji tutekanisa abantu kweteka tecara amagara agarengera enseji kunkana no munsomo ari ibinde birengero obwenje noyetenga emico noyetenga values noyetenga ubuntu kubasita kurabo munsomo kandi ebyo byora ntubyetegese.
Reverend Charles ori omugambirizi w'itendekero lya Bishop Stewart University yagira ngu edini zine kwatanisa hamusinje ogwedini abwo kuba university negeita abantu bona.
University ne kimanyisa ngu ya universal turushara turukwebaganisa akwe kigambo university kigambo universe ensiyon ntwizaha kuronda ubwenje turukushomesa kugira ngo nsororamo tusomesa abashana abana b'edineje abantu n'abedineje we are a university that is universal. Nawe cyo twashimira mnunga
gasha kwa Susan alino mukisa ahabwa Tayari West.